IELTS is an English proficiency test originated from Britain, used for academic, professional, and immigration related purposes, and is accepted by over 9,000 educational institutions across more than 100 countries globally, especially by Canada, Australia, and UK. This is a test conducted by the University of Cambridge ESOL examination, British Council, and IDP Education Australia. IELTS is characterized as academic and general. At our institution, we have British Council certified trainers who take care of each student with their full-fledged knowledge. Our fees are very nominal, but the quality is not compromised.
10 minutes for transferring your answers. So you have to find the answers and transfer your answers to your answer sheet within the 60 minutes. And it will be like a comprehension type of question. That is, you will be given a passage followed by few questions. In task 1, you will be writing for 150 words and task 2, 250 words. Task 1 is like an academic report where you will be given a pie chart, a graph, anything like that, and then you have to write a report for that for 150 words. Whereas for task 2, it's an essay. Essay can be of different types: disadvantages, advantages, problems, solutions, causes, etc. And before that, you will be given a minute time for preparation. Okay. The third part is where they will be asking you 6 questions, and these 6 questions will be related to the questions and the topic which are from the second section. So this is all about IELTS. Now I will explain you how task 1 is marked. You are being given a pie chart, data, everything, right? All the data should be mentioned in it. You should not miss any data. All the data should be mentioned. That is task achievement. And then finally grammar. Grammar is tested by the range of sentences you use. It should be simple, complex, compound, everything, and also of the tenses which you use. It should be past tense, present, and then future. So with all this, each of them will be carrying 25% of your marks, and they will score according to it, and then finally they will convert it to 0 to 9 band.